Today we're unboxing the Go Love Yourself box, which is $49.95. So let's check it out and see if it's worth it. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Today's box is $49.95. However, they do have a scaled down version called the Essentials for $30. And in addition to that, you can also purchase group coaching for $25 a month on their site or on Cratejoy. Now these boxes ship out the first of every month, although mine did ship out a little earlier on April 29th and I received it on May 2nd, so that was about 3 days. They don't charge anything for taxes, however they do charge $8 for shipping. Now the cool thing about their site is you can actually buy past boxes, which usually with subscription boxes you can't. The box came just like this in the mail. It has the logo on the top. There was no extra covering on top of it. It was sealed here at the bottom, which I cut open with a knife already, and it has the mailing label on the bottom. Nothing else on all of the other sides. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in. So it comes with a card, and I obviously got this for myself, and it says from me to me because I love me, and it has a little sticker here that says love yourself, some tissue paper, and the theme for this month was perfectly imperfect. And over here, it gives you an inventory of everything that you're getting in the box, as well as the price points in theory and for retail for this. So we have some packing stuff. So let's just move this to the side. And we have a bar of soap called Naked Zen Rose Exfoliating Soap. These are pearls, I guess, imperfectly beautiful, and I know it from Talu. And it looks like there's two. So one for you and one for your friend. I think it has directions. What to do with your Patulapura. Wear one and give one, just like I thought. So you want to tie this pearl on your wrist. The next is a Buddha board. Oh my gosh, I love these things. I've heard about these things. And so let's open this up. So we have a 30-minute coaching call with one of these 4 people. Supposedly it is a no sales call, but let's be real, is anything ever a no sales call? And then we have a bookmark with some quotes from Brene Brown's book, The Gifts of Imperfection. And we have a workbook called The Gifts of Imperfection, the unofficial workbook from Go Love Yourself. We have about Brene, who I think is the person who started this box. Another advertisement. And Brene Brown's book, The Gifts of Imperfection. I've actually never heard of Brene Brown, so that'll be interesting. I have zero idea what this is, but it's pretty heavy. I know you can't see the weight. Does it separate? It's a thumb drive. And last we have just a card, some art that says let go. Was this worth the $57.95? I'm gonna say probably not for myself, although I did like the box. I didn't love the box, but it would be a great present for somebody else, especially because you can purchase past boxes and you don't have to wonder what you're giving somebody. And if you like some of the items in the box, they actually sell those individually, and of course you can buy them on Amazon. All right, leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the box. I hope everyone's having a great weekend or day or whatever you're watching this, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.